Dry skin, also called xerosis, is skin that lacks moisture in its outer layer. If left untreated, dry skin can crack and become infected. Dry skin on legs can be treated by avoiding hot baths, harsh antibacterial soaps, and products that contain fragrance. These culprits contribute to the water loss in the outer layer of your skin, ultimately causing dryness. Instead, you can restore the moisture with various skin rejuvenation treatments. Number 1. Petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly, also known as mineral oil, covers the skin in a protective layer. It traps moisture underneath. This helps heal dry, irritated skin patches on legs. Want to treat dry skin patches on your legs? Try covering the affected areas with plastic wrap after applying the jelly. Keep the wraps on overnight. In the morning, your dry skin should see significant improvements. Number 2. Coconut oil for dry skin. Coconut oil is well known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, containing fatty acids that help moisturize dry skin. Plus, coconut oil is an emollient, which means it fills in the space between the cells on the skin surface. As a result, applying coconut oil to your legs will leave the skin soft and smooth. After taking a bath, massage your legs with coconut oil. Give the coconut oil time to dry for maximum effectiveness. You can apply this coconut oil to very dry skin on your legs every day, preferably right before going to bed. Number 3. Olive oil and honey for dry skin. Olive oil and honey are effective home remedies for dry skin on legs. Olive oil contains fatty acids, which help moisturize the skin. It also contains vitamin E, which will protect your skin from environmental factors that cause dryness. As for honey, it has a long documented history of treating dry skin effectively. A mixture of virgin olive oil and honey is easy to make at home. Mix 1 tablespoon of olive oil with 1 tablespoon of honey to form a paste. Apply the home remedy on your legs, let it dry for a while, and rinse it off. Number 4. Milk and honey for dry skin. You should avoid taking long hot baths for healthy skincare. However, you can still enjoy a relaxing bath set at a warm, moderate temperature. Best of all, you can add milk and honey to the bath as a method of treating skin dryness. Milk can nourish your skin, exfoliating it to remove those flaky dead skin cells. Similarly, honey has moisturizing and antibacterial properties. Together, they have beneficial effects on the severe dry skin on your legs. Pour half a cup of honey into a bowl and insert some boiling water. Next, introduce 1 cup of milk and mix well. Add the mixture to the water of your bath, and soak in it. Number 5. Oatmeal for dry skin. Do you have some dry skin patches on your legs that need gentle exfoliation? Consider using oatmeal as a home remedy. This versatile ingredient has the power to soothe, nourish, and moisturize your skin. Mix some grounded oatmeal with either jojoba oil or olive oil to make a paste. Gently rub this mixture on your itchy and dry patches, then allow it to dry naturally. Rinse it off with water, and the skin on your legs should feel softer. Number 6. Leg mask for dry skin. If your dry legs are itchy and red, try soothing them with a leg mask made from cream and flour. The cream contains vitamins, minerals, and proteins to nourish your skin and lock in moisture. Start by washing your legs. Next, mix some cream and flour to form a thick paste, then apply it to your legs. Let it dry for 15 minutes before rinsing it off to reveal smooth skin. Number 7. Diet for dry skin. Pay attention to what you eat. A healthy diet rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids can moisturize your dry skin. Add plenty of fruits and vegetables to your recipes. Also, introduce fish to your diet since it is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids. Of course, don't forget to drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated. Number 8. Sunflower seed oil. Sunflower seed oil improved hydration when used as a moisturizer. Number 9. Use a humidifier. Dry air can cause dry skin. If the air in your home is parched, try using a humidifier to add moisture to the air. It can help prevent an extremely dry skin. Portable humidifiers, or those that attach to a furnace, can both help make your home's air less dry. A humidifier set to 60% is enough to offset this effect. Number 10. Aloe vera. Aloe vera gel provides relief from dry skin. A person with dry skin on their hands or feet can apply aloe vera gel and cover the affected area with a sock or glove. People may prefer to do this before they go to bed and leave the gel on all night. If dry skin is on another area of the body, applying aloe vera gel liberally and allowing it to soak in may achieve a similar effect.